Hi there, boys and girls. Teacher Tim here. I hope you're doing well. I'm pretty good, thank you. So in this video, we are going to continue with subtraction, and let's repeat subtraction model. Subtraction is what is left after taking something away. So today we're going to focus on creating subtraction stories. Okay? Yesterday and the day before we're doing solving subtraction word problems. Okay? So today we're going to create word problems. Word problems is just another word for subtraction stories. But word problems you can have for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So now we're doing subtraction stories. So creating subtraction stories. Subtraction stories is same as solving subtraction word problems. To be more specific, to be precise. Okay? So look at the board. You can also open the book to page 87. I will show you the same example as the book has. So if you look to my right here, I don't know how well you can see it, but okay, I think you can see it. So there are steps to create a story, and in this case a subtraction story. So we have 3 steps, and this is the method step by step. Okay? So step number 1, think of a math idea. Okay? And the math idea used here is numbers. Okay? Step 2, make a story about the numbers. So let's think. Okay, I have a story. I think of a story now. So we write it as, this is the story, my story. Well, it's a story from the book, but I pretend it's my story now. My mom has 9 eggs in a basket. Okay? So she has a basket like that. And then okay, that's her basket. And then she has 9 eggs. Let's make 9 eggs. 9 eggs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has 9 eggs in the basket. And then she takes out 3 eggs. She takes out 3 eggs to make omelets. So 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs she takes out. 1, 2, 3. These goes away. Let's delete them. So 3 eggs goes away. Okay, like that. Okay. Step number 3. We ask our question. And the question is, how many eggs are left in the basket? And then left. So you know we're dealing with subtraction because the key word is left. I'm sorry. Down there. Okay. So one more time. Question. The question is, how many eggs are left in the basket? And left is important, because that means you are dealing with subtraction. So subtraction is what is left after taking something away. Okay? Alright, good. Now let's move the camera over to the right. Over here. Okay. So now we have the story over here. So the complete story. So over there, that was just the 3 steps of how to create a story. It can be addition story, subtraction story, multiplication story, or division story. Okay? So now we're dealing with subtraction. So here is the complete story. My mom has 9 eggs in a basket. She takes out 3 to make omelettes. Question: how many eggs are left in the basket? So I have already circled numbers 9 and number 3. So she has 9 to start with, and then she takes out 3, means minus, subtraction, takes out 3, and that equals 9 minus 3 equals 6. So the answer is 6. How many eggs are left in the basket? 6 eggs. Sorry, you can see that? All right, now 6 eggs are left in the basket. Okay, so that is the correct answer. All right, 6 eggs are left in the basket. Okay, good. So I hope you understand at least a little bit of how to create stories, and in this case subtraction stories. Okay, we're going to do one more example, but I will erase this and write another story and then explain how to solve that one. So I will see you in a minute. All right, see you in a minute. Okay, hello again, students. So I have now deleted the old story and written a new story. So let's read this story. So the story: I have 8 Kit Kats. You can see here on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see all the 8? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I have 8. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have 8 Kit Kats. I give 3 to my friends. How many Kit Kats do I have left? Okay, so the numbers 8 and 3 and keyword left. So that's how you know you're dealing with subtraction. But also the word give, that also means subtraction. You give something away. Okay, all right, so 8, can you see? So 8 minus 3 equals, okay, do you know 8 minus 3? Let's count with numbers here. So you take away the 3 Kit Kats that you have given to your friends. So these are the 3 Kit Kats that you have given to your friends. Okay, you give these 3 to 3 friends. 1 friend, 1 friend, 1 friend. 3 friends, 3 Kit Kats. So how many Kit Kats do you have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 Kit Kats left, because 8 minus 3 equals 5. So you have 5 Kit Kats left. Okay, answer. Answer. Can you see that? Let's shift it down a little bit. So answer: I have 5 Kit Kats left. Okay, good. All right, do you understand? You understood this as I explained it, right? Okay, so now open your book to page 88 and we will do one more word problem before I will tell you what to do for homework. All right, see you on page 88. All right, okay, hello again. So let's look at number 3, example number 3 here. Let's read. Let's make a subtraction story from the given number sentence. Okay, so the number sentence you have is 9 minus 6. Okay, so let's make a story from that. So let's say, okay, now I have made up a a subtraction story. I have 9 oranges in a paper bag. I take out 6 oranges. How many oranges are left in the paper bag? So then we do the calculation. 9 minus 6 equals how many? 3. Yes. And we can double check if we want. Make it small here. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. So if 3 plus 6 equals 9, then it is correct. And it is correct. So the answer, there are 3 oranges left in the paper bag. All right, good. So page 89 please. Look at the picture below and make a subtraction story. Okay, so number 1, look at the number sentence below, complete the story. So here you have part of the story, but you have to fill in the last pieces. Okay, so you have 8 minus 5, but you don't have the total. So Siti has cookies. She eats cookies. How many cookies are left? Okay, and then the answer, there are cookies left. Number 2, look at the numbers below, complete the story. So you have number 6 and number 6 and number 2. Ravi has balloons. Balloons are popped out means burst. They poof, they break. Well, they don't break, they are destroyed. So question, how many balloons are left? Then you have to write the number sentence. And then the answer, there are balloons left. Okay? And then number 90 and 91 will be homework. Well, I'm sorry, 89 as well. I know these are not complete subtraction stories, but partial stories. So you need to fill in the last on these stories and then do stories on 90 and 91. These are actually also partial stories. So look at each picture, complete the stories. So can you see? Okay, there are coins in the box. Siti takes out coins. You have to see how many coins, how many does he take out? Question, how many coins are left in the box? And you write the number sentence and answer. There are coins left in the box. And then B, you have 2 numbers, 6 and 3. Mrs. Lee has carrots. She gives Peter carrots. How many carrots does Mrs. Lee have left? And then the number sentence. Answer, Mrs. Lee has carrots left. Okay, and then this is a little bit different. So number 2, mark the correct subtraction story and then fill in the numbers. So you have 2 stories here, which one is correct, which one is wrong. The first one, there are 8 eggs in the nest. 3 eggs fall down and break. How many eggs are there altogether? The second story. There are 8 eggs in the nest. 3 eggs fall down and break. How many eggs are left in the nest? So first you check which one is correct, and then you write the number sentence and the answer. There are eggs left in the nest. Okay, and then number 3 here. Write your own story from the given number sentence. So you have 4 minus 2 equals Now you have to make up your story. Can be any story at all. You have to make it up. Okay? All right. And that is all for today. So please do these. I know this is only one lesson for creating subtraction stories, but I hope it will be enough. Okay, now I'm going to show your parents the answers. So students, enough. Please finish the exercises and then close your books and give the phone and your books to your parents. All right? Good. Boys and girls, bye-bye. See you in the next clip. Okay, now mothers and fathers, this part of the video is for your eyes only. Okay, I'm now going to give you the answers. So the first word problem. Number 1, look at the number sentence below, complete the story. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. Siti has 8 cookies. She eats 5 cookies. How many cookies are left? So 8 minus 5 equals 3. Answer, there are 3 cookies left. And story number 2. Look at the numbers below and complete the story. 6 and 2. Ravi has 6 balloons. 2 balloons are popped out. How many balloons are left? So 6 minus 2 equals 4. There are 4 balloons left. And then the next page, 90. So now number 1. Can you see? Okay, now look at the picture, complete the stories. So you have to count how many. There are 9 coins in the box, because you have to assume that these 5 coins are also in the box. Siti takes out 5 coins, so these coins were in the box from the start. How many coins are left in the box? So number sentence, 9 minus 5, she has 5 in her hand, equals 4. There are 4 coins left in the box. Okay, and then B, numbers 6 and 3. Mrs. Lee has 6 carrots. She gives Peter 3 carrots. How many carrots does Mrs. Lee have left? So number sentence, 6 minus 3 equals 3. Mrs. Lee has 3 carrots left. And then number 2, check the correct subtraction story and then fill in the numbers. So it is the second story that's correct because of the question, how many eggs are left in the nest? The first story asks how many eggs are there altogether. That means addition plus altogether. Left means subtraction, minus. So 8, she has 8 eggs in total, and then 3 falls down. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. There are 5 eggs left in the nest. And then lastly, exercise 3, where your children has to write their own story with these given numbers. So the number sentence, 4 minus 2 equals 2. And then your children has to write a story. Can be any story about anything. Okay? Good. So that is all for this clip, and I will see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.